6 Squalo 77 here. Today I'm gonna be putting brand new coils, ignition coils to my car, and this cover right here, which is for the this is for the ignition coils, but this is to cover the harness. All the cables, they're always sitting, you know, against the valve cover, so I don't really like that. So that's what I'm gonna put this one, just to keep the wires from not touching the cover. So it's this one right here, and let's start doing this. They say this needs slightly, you know, to modify it or something like that. I don't know what they say about this. I hope, you know, it's not that hard, and I hope it's just gonna be easy to install it. This installation, we only need a 10mm socket just to get this bolt out. It's hard. Oops. Yeah, I'm always messing things up. Okay, we just get this one out. Remember to put it back. So like I tell, I'm putting brand new coils, and these ones are going to my, I'll put these ones, you know, on my silver car. So those are my brand new coils right there. That's the brand. If you guys want to check it on eBay, I spent $80 on these ones. So it's very easy to unplug. So I push this one and just pull it back, and I'll just get this out. Put your brand new coil. Remember, this gotta go all the way until you hear a little pop. We're good on that one. So let me remove these things, and then I show you know how the other one's gonna fit. Okay, now guys, in case you break the little tip that you push down so you can get this out, just put a flat screwdriver here, just pull. You see, you're not gonna break it, but it comes out very easily. Oh, it's about to rain. Okay, let me take this forward, and then I just go through the cover. I'm not sure if your car has this little plastic right here, but if it does, the only thing you gotta cut is just the electrical tape, you know, that is around it, just so you can get the harness out. We don't need this piece right here. That's what we put in the new cover. So this actually is gonna be on the way. This piece right here is not gonna let you mount the harness into the new cover. So get rid of this one first, this little piece of plastic. Just get rid of it, and just we only gotta put the cables. So we just need the cables. We don't need this piece. It's gonna be useless, you know, after we put the new cover. After you got rid of the little cover that was, you know, at the bottom of the harness, the plugs, this part right here has to go in here, just like, one second, just like that. Let's see if you can see, just like that. Put all four just like that. Okay, this is very simple and easy. After you put, you know, the first part of the harness at the bottom of the first piece of the cover, now everything's just about following the wires. Just put the wires, you know, all straight until you go to the back right here. And then I like that they have little clips, and actually, you know, this is better, you know, than I thought it was gonna be. And I thought it was gonna be a little harder to install it, but it's pretty simple. Just make sure, you know, you put every single little clip like that right there. I have to press it more, just so, you know, just so it can be secure. I mean, there's nothing's gonna happen to the plugs, but you know, it's just gonna look better. I'm done putting this cover, guys, and you gotta admit it looks freaking cool. Like it just changed the whole view of the engine bay. That's how the engine bay is looking right now. I'm still gonna do a lot more to this car, but I just wanted to share with you this little upgrade. I hope you like the video. You can actually, make it look even better. It just depends on you, how long you want to take, doing this little upgrade. Like you can actually push this piece back and just get a bolt, and you just use there's another little piece right here where you can put the bolt, and that's actually gonna help to secure the cover even more. So that's pretty much it for this upgrade. I hope you you like the video, and I hope you can subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.